Good evening, sir. I'll do the activity, which is the prototyping UED. First to do is to find a website na pwedeng i-morph into, actually morph, i-design into mobile and pagandahin lalo yung pinaka-outcome niya. And may napili po ako, which is, first is yung PhilHealth sana. Sana sir, pero hindi po sure kung may mga iba na kung nakagawa niya ito. Kasi if I recall, ang PhilHealth is wala tong, hindi siya responsive. To be short is, wala siyang mobile. I mean, meron, pero hindi siya responsive. Kasi ito yung full size. PhilHealth, and then once na nag-mobile na, yung mga mobile users is hindi siya accessible kasi yung about member and yung gano'n niya is hindi nag-compress into mobile. What I'm going to do is, ayun yung to using the XD Adobe. And, yan, with the use of XD. Adobe XD. And, yan. I'll start the work na po. And, ayun, yung trials and then business lang. And then, yan siya gamit. Actually, sir, nagawa ko na po siya. Pero, ano naman. Ibang laptop ko, tingin naman, try ako. First of all, syempre, save ko muna to. Bumaras. Activity. And first of all, magdadrag muna tayo dito ng Canva. Yan. Alt, and then, yan nakalagay. Para ma-visualize ko lang kung paano ang mangyayari dun sa pinaka, natin, pinaka-web natin. Ay, mobile. And, i-check ko lang din yung sa about, which is yung may ganito siya. And members, which is, sila. Actually, pwede naman siyang yan. I-copy, yan, later on. Our partners, online services, yan, mga yan. Maraming spacings, ayan, ang daming time space. And yung forms, yan, medyo malaki, papalitin natin para mag-ano siya ng mobile. Let's start. And ito pala, yung umpisa natin sa paggawa ng bars. Of course, yung pinaka-mini bar natin. Nakapag-download na ako yung natin dito. Ay, that's it. Ayun. Then, copy ko lang siya here. And, papalitin ko lang siya into, 20. Ano isa, 20 red. Nakaset ko na ako. Why? Why is it moving? 30. Yan, para medyo malaki. And then yan. Nalagyan natin siya para magkaroon siya ng pang-prototype, which is gagawin natin later. First is, naglagay tayo ng bars, which is ito, SVG. And next is maglalagay tayo dito ng pang-design, which the, maglagay muna tayo ng X solid bar, ayan o, icon dito. Which is yan, ito. Yan, and then, ulam natin itong ano nito. Hindi yan pa rin isa. Yan, which is, ito, lagay natin yung page 6. And then, ang kanya is 29. Or, let's say 30. Yan, para walang buhay. Next part is gagawa tayo ng mga nakalagay dito. Which is yung about, let's start with home. Yan. Gusto mo? Lagyan tayo ng home. And we'll bring that in the middle. And to have a details in our home, we're going to change that into our Rockwell mold and size is 30 and it's better. And no. Let's bring that here out of here. Yan. And then we'll just copy this one and magbigay tayo ng konti para space between them. I don't know, 20 will do. And there is. And then copy na lang natin yung dalawa. Yan. And then, i-buy lang natin ito about us. And ilalagay siya sa video. Yan, which is papapatay na natin sa dalawa. Wait lang, lagay sa video. Ayan. Para magpatay sila. Yan. And then, all of them will bring that ito yan. I will rename this as members. Our partner. Our partner. Yeah. Yan. Pero hindi siya nag ano. So let's just expand this. And online services. Online services. Yan. And then expand lang natin siya para magkasya. And the last is the download. We're just going to copy this one here and downloads. Yan. And then ito, i-group na lang natin para if ever man na may gagawin ako later. Shift G. Yan. Pwede din siya nag-group. Control G pala. If ever man na gagalawin ko, yan. Pwede natin siyang gawin. And then pagtatanggal naman natin sa group, we'll just ungroup that and pwede na siya. And then next step is maglalagay tayo ng prototype here. Papunta dito. And then, eto naman, babalik dito. There. And next is we will change the duration of animation and let's just say 0.8 muna. I don't know, slide up or slide down. Kasi pag right, let's just try this one will go left. Left. Right. And let's try the animation. Okay, baliktad. Okay. Baliktad lang natin. Left and right. Okay. So we try the animation. There we go. Okay, the outcome is quite okay. And then let's just add some details here. Signing will bring a there. No, ganyan. Yeah, okay yan. Push the line. Wait, let's just do this. Well, there you go. If this one is working. Oh. There, okay. And that's it. Okay, hindi siya gumagana. What I'm going to do is aliliyan na naman ganito. And this one will serve as yung parang panghati ng line. And then let's just okay. I don't know, let's just find green. Kasi ang color ng yung nandun sa pinaka-page is green, so yung border, let's just there it is. Okay, much better siya tingnan. Let's just tingnan. Wala yung eggs. Where did I eggs go? Okay. Wala yung eggs, and let's just try to bring that again. Schoolworks, XD, icon. And then marami pa siya yung details na we will do a low fidelity, which is 30. And there's 6. There it is. We'll just give it a prototype. Back here. This one is left, so this one will be right. So we'll just change that into 0.8 and this one into 0.8. Okay. And then here I might change that into Control Shift G para mag-group sila. And then we'll change their into black. Sorry, I don't know, black. The color is not given, so we'll bring a much lighter color or the opacity. Let's try to that one. There we go. And then download a copy. Let's just bring that in the middle. There, okay. And we will change this into Filmora. There we go. And we will going to change the font into, I don't know, Arial. Let's try Arial. Okay, that seems to be better. Okay, let's bring that in the middle. There we go. And I think it is much more maganda. I think that's good. Here we go. Stop gaming. How about we bring it here? Right here? How about it? Okay. We'll try to may changes. Okay. Kasi later on, papalitan natin yung background nito into a this one. But right now, what we're going to do is create another Canva. Hindi, ito na lang. So this one is the home page, so we will and this one will be less. What I'm going to do right now is to copy this. Why is it not working? Oh, just search for will help log up. There it is. Okay. putting that here. Here you go. Why is it black? Oh, because of this image. There you go. So it's not actually giving a. Mm-hmm. Oh, this one. We'll try and try and try. Okay, that's not giving. Instead of SVG, let's try PNG. There we go. Oh, it's the same. With transparency. How about we try this one? Okay, there we go. It's much more better than that. But the size of it is not giving, so actually it is much more easier to access if ganito gagawin. And then here is my ano siya, my tents or parang meron siyang space canvas. So what I'm going to do is bring this one in the middle. And let's see if okay siya tignan sa middle. There you go. I think it is much more better. And then to get the color we want, the color we want. Okay. This one. We will give this a color now. It's 0. This one is 0 also. The border. So I guess it's not working here, there, and there. How about what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it and then save this as image. Where is you? Where is you? Where is you? Here. Towards XD icons. Logo. Okay, there is a logo there, but what I'm going to do is to go and move it. And I'm going to upload the logo here. So the Adobe XD Adobe background remover will do its work and remove the background. After that, I'm going to paste it there. It's XD. Here we go. Okay, that's upload also. Now let's try another logo dun sa ano ko. Sa download ko. What I'm going to do is control it to white kasi so it's not getting the black is much more better. No, it's much more better. What I'm going to do is if I'm going to set this one, so I'm going to copy that here. And it is so big, you can barely. There you go. Okay, the logo is not given, so I'm going to put it there. I don't know, it is much more easier, or pushing it more as well. There you go. I think it is much more easy. Okay. Okay. You can see the improvements. Oh, it's already 19 minutes. I-pause forward ko na siya, sir, para mabilis. I mean, I'm going to... Ay, hindi ko na siya ita-pampered. What I'm going to do is... After that, we will... Okay. So that is actually a... carousel. There we go. No! There we go. Okay, it's not getting... What I'm going to do is put it in black. There we go. And we're going to change that into Arial. Where's the Arial? Arial. There we go. It's much better. No. It's not actually giving. Put it more robotic. I think this one will do. We're just going to highlight this one. Members. So the thing here is, if I'm going to put the cursor here and click the member, it will lead into members. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click the home. The benefits also for partners. What I'm going to do is, instead na magkasama sila, matanggalin ko itong member para gumawa na bagong button. And cut that into small pieces. Okay, the picture is not getting. What I'm going to do is okay, the thing is not actually. There you go. Yes, it is actually better. How about this one? And this one will go right here. And instead of no, the member is okay. What I'm going to do is put about us here. There, in the middle. And so then pa rin yung malita ko. Instead about, Google members. There you go. And this one we will, instead of, I'll just group this and give this one a prototype and it will live here, okay? I think that is much more better. And then about us, home, okay, remember. There we go. And we will try if things here is much more better. I think the picture is much more parang ano na siya. Home, about us. Instead, slide left. You about us. Where's the about us? You will change that into slide down. Slide down, hold on. So slide down. Yeah, there. Let's try it. There you go. There you go. Okay. 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 It's not parang hindi pero how about the back button na lang na instead na ganyan? Instead we will change that into back button. Let's just bring that there. Okay, let's just delete that and create. There. There. Back. No. Back. There we go. Just redesign that. And we'll bring that in the middle. Green 6. Huh? How is that even possible? There we go. That's for that. And we will give that a color. And this one will lead a prototype into there we go. Okay? There. And this one should be better. And this one will give that here na lang. There we go. And then okay, guys. Slide up. Slide up. Slide up. Hirap, sir. Hirap na. What time is it? At home about you, about. Okay, let's get back to work. Instead of member art. Okay. Online services. There we go. And we will expand that. And bring that in the middle. Upload and just a little. Okay. Why is it not working? There we go. Stick a partner. It downloads. There's no draining. I never knew this. There you go. And they're all the same. The prototype. The back will. Okay. Good. And then the member, our partner will go there, on service will go here, the downloads will go there. That's it. How about we try? Wait a minute. I think I missed something. Okay, from partner. None. 28 services. Downloads will be none. None. Okay. Okay. I'll try this one. About us. Okay, about us. About us. None. 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 Okay, let's try it. Here we go. Okay, the downloads. There we go. And let's try it again. Okay, the home. about us. Members. And then yung PhilHealth, ilalagay pala natin ang button back here. Yes, right. There we go. Okay, if we look here, there's diagram. So we'll get that the same. There we go. Let's try it one more time. Okay, it is much more better than none. Our partner. Okay, wala pa lang S. So what I'm gonna do is put an S there. There we go. And save. And then what's that of you? How am I supposed to tell you? I don't wanna see you with anyone but me. Nobody gets me, you do. Let's go to this one. And we will color picker, which is there we go. And we will change that into white. There you go. Okay, so the thing here is it is undo and what? Or like it. We'll just copy this and change the background color. Okay. Over into white. But white is much more better than black. See what black? There. So white is not. I'm gonna go. Don't worry, be happy guys. There you go. Change that into white. There you go, it is. I like it. For real. There you go. I'm going to change that into white because we were doing black. So we'll change that into white. Oh, white is short. And then I can keep that a try. Keep that a try. There you go. What I'm going to do here is okay. The last thing to do is just copy the content, which is the benefits of the services. Okay, the members. Okay, as for that. There you go. Ang tagal ng video ko, sir, sorry. How about give it a try? How about hindi naman na-upload na. Slide art, slide. Yeah. Kill it. And we will just find it at the here, do change that into white. What is happening? Change the white. Without opacity. And we'll go on to clear this. And then change that into skin. And this one will be area rounded. We're going to copy that. There we go. What I'm going to do is like this. There you go. Okay, so there is a slide. How am I going to put that there? No. So this one is the same value. Then yung benefits. Last is the benefits. I'm just going to put that there para may. There we go. What I'm going to do is create a shorthand. So they had same. What I'm going to do is instead na maglalagay ako dito ng ganyan, what I'm going to do is bring them here and down there. ito na lang i-edit na. Here, much better. So you're going to trim lang sir, para magkano siya. I know it's against the law, or parang designing, pero it will help have a clean, what in the flying, there you go, much better. And this one is the benefits, so if I'm going to put that, ooh, minimum benefits. Members, the services down here. I see your face, and it's not allowed, I can look before, close it open. Bakit siya nagot yan? Where am I? Home. And then our partners, before should bells. There we go. The 15. And then Harry, our Aria. There we go. And we will give that in white. Tama ba yung atin? Okay, we'll change that into there. See? It's much more better. Then you're going to treat that. Affordable hair care services. So from here, there you go. There. Much better siya tingnan. Conceal. Decision feature garden. That's true. How should I remember? They're valuable. There. Long design. And i-group lang natin siya. Use this guy. There we go. There. See? Grabe ang haba ko lang. Ang haba lang ng bando. 43 minutes. Sorry sir. Haba talaga. Then let's go to the now. Need to make this one simple. Maglalagay lang ako ng details. This one's something better. And then yon, do the bell. In history, kind and much ancient Calvinism, we made it out of that. Whenever we offer predestination, here we young that learn a lesson even how strength next me down. The good old Lord had to me the way you should be too, but you bring him up along with how much I miss you. Maybe I'm just not better than the seven trend. Maybe you can have more time. I thought I was a faster, but I won't ever mind. Just being up on your back, burn. Actually, marami pa siyang details, sir, pero hindi ko na masyadong ilalagay, diba? Okay. 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 Good reference. Ay, palaki ko naman siya. Okay, reference. Tama ba? See, references. Ano. Pretty the same. It's pretty the same. And then, kakapit lang natin ito na ito. There we go. Change that color into white. And change it. We're only getting trees, baby. And I've been thinking about you lately. That's it, I'm trying crazy. Just so fast and changes everything that you ever dream of. Parang kahit sama daw. I don't know. How about let's give it a try? Much more. About us. Ooh, okay. Points. 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 Ooh! Okay, yung partner is meron siyang opacity. So, dyan. Already notice kasi yung nag-feed yung pagka-color niya. Then, dun sa PhilHealth, dun sa Horus is maglalagyan na lang tayo ng ganito. Wait, what? Sabi ko lang yung balik. Don't you? Di ba? Mas viewable siya. And kapit ang gamat eh. Pero hindi naman pwede dapat yan. Pero isang part siya ng pag-aaral. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the members. Okay, hindi siya copy. What I'm going to do is, how about screenshot ko lang siya. And pagka kinami ko kasi doon, ipaparadius na isa. Kailangan ng picture. And kada ano pala. Ba't ba yung kasi dito? Eight, tapos 45. 8, 45. 8, 8, 45. Ano ito? 45. Tapos 8, 45. There you go. I like it. There you go. Ready. Kakapit ko pa sana siya kasi hindi siya nalala. See, I told you. Ay, hindi siya nakaka. Ay, nasa members pa lang. Ngayon, hindi rin siya. So, hindi sinadya nila to. Maglalagay na ako ng health providers. Dito sa lawyers. Then, ano ko pala magganito kasi nakain ako na ng video. Ang pinagawa kasi ng ako ng panahon isa. Hindi ko malagay yung picture, sorry ako. Sorry po. Please forgive me. Hindi ko palitan ko pa rin itong aking gawa. Because I need to grind it. The 11, here, base, control O. Okay, let's do this again. Give that around. And the color will be what? Didn't change. Why? There we go. Then we'll go back to this picture. There we go. And collecting partners. Sana meron kami hindi mo nakagawa ng filter. Sinaban ko lang siya. Actually, may gusto tingnan ah. But the background is not giving this. It's so green. Ano ba ba? Ay, dalawa na lang hindi downloads hindi ako mag-services. Then I think I'm done. Ay! Ano yan? Membership. Ooh. Malaking ko lang para mapalitin ko siya. Ooh. Okay. Yun! Kapag copy ko yun. Sad to say, sir, hindi talaga siya nag-copy. Nalagay ko na lang ito. Ang bawi man lang to. Nalakayan ko siya, sir, para makita na member. Important siya. And then, hold ko lang siya. Pero yan, maganda naman tingnan ka pa ba lang. Space. Tapos, kapalitan na lang natin para match. And then, enable. I think okay yan. Then it's ready go. No regular road. Pero okay lang ito. Here we go. There we go. Spider na. I would hold you just for a while. And then it's me. Case research. Case. Dalawa kami impos dito. Case research. Yeah. And expand lang ulit. That's it. Clean. Okay, may impostor natin. Ang dami ng impostor. Hindi pala parang hindi pala ito. I see. Please. LEGB. Down checking. This one will be replaced by that. This one will be replaced by that. Okay. And what do you say? You should. Okay. And lastly is yung kakabanter. Pwede mo naman siyang i-poke, diba? Na hindi mo nila ganda na yun. There. Sorry sir, I didn't notice na nasa download pala. I'm so glad na pwede yung gawin. Yung downloads is saan mo ano siya? Yung ganda ko kapin siya. Ayan ako, special tutorials. And I think that's it. That's all sir, yung ano ko. And of course, we will going to try the tutorial of this. Thank you sir, that's it. Hope you like it. Thank you sir.